Symbols is a great way to make your work much faster and efficient in Affinity. With symbols, you don't have to make changes one by one when you have repeating graphics. You can just change one of them and all others are going to follow. If you don't use symbols and you modify a graphic, let's say its color, you can see only one is changed. And it's definitely not a good solution when you're working with multiple similar graphics. This is how you can work with symbols. Go to Window, then Vector, and choose Symbols. You'll see the Symbols panel appear here. To convert a graphic into symbols is easy. Simply click to select the graphic you want to convert and click Create on the Symbols panel. Your graphic is now converted into symbols. If you right-click on it, you can rename or delete it. You'll also notice a vertical orange line on the left side of the layer, indicating it's a symbol. I removed both of these, leaving only the one that's already converted. Now you can copy and paste the symbol on your artwork to multiply, or you can simply drag it from the panel. I arrange this a bit, align this, and move to center. If you modify one of the graphics, which is a symbol now, either change the color or resize. All others will follow. However, there could be time you want to separate one of them and modify just that one graphic. You can simply select it and click Detach on the panel. See the changes affecting only that graphic. Now, how if I want to convert multiple graphics into one symbol? This is what I can do. Revert this back, then let me duplicate this. If I select all these 5 graphics and convert them into symbols, they will show up as 5 symbols, not as one, which is not what I want. Let me undo this first. So what I can do is select all of them, but before converting them into symbols, right-click to group them first. After that, click Create in the Symbols panel. You see they are now grouped under one symbol. If you drag it into the artboard, it will show up as one symbol. To make changes, double-click on one of them. If you select and change only one graphic, it will affect only one in each symbol. To modify all graphics in a symbol, select all before making changes. And that's how you work with symbols in Affinity. Have you worked with symbols before, or do you have anything to add? Please let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching and bye.